Okay, we're back for round 2 with these because last night I nearly blinded myself. It was a bad scene. I've never done this in my entire life. Put lashes on. Well, last night I tried. It was a total fail. So I'm back. I'm going to try it again. This is the Paw Tense DIY eyelash extension kit. So it comes with the bond and the seal. This is the bond. We're going to go in first with that, right? We're going to do one eye at a time. We're going to go right at the base of the lash line. I've watched like 1,000 videos on this. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of the bond on the base of the lash. Let's go in with the second one. I'm trying to place them right next to each other. Much better than last night. So now we're going to use the seal end, and we're going to go right where the glue was. And then I'm going to put a little on my tweezers and give it a little smoosh. That's so much better. I mean, I feel them, but I think it's so slight that I'll get used to it really quick. So I'm going to do the second eye now. Okay, so that went way better. The second eye took me like 3 minutes. And the weird thing is I can see them. I'm hoping I get used to that because it's weird. I really don't feel them. I mean, I know they're there. I did a really short one. I did 9, 10, 10, 11, 10, 9, 9. You know, baby steps.